Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's Canvas tutorial, we will be learning how you can create a banner for your webinar. Canvas offers a large library for templates you can choose from, but for right now, we will be creating our own design. So let's get started. First thing first, you need to log into your Canvas account. And once you are done with it, just click on create a design from your top right. And here select the banner. If you can't find it right here, just click on the search icon and search for banner. It's up to you to choose the portrait version or the landscape. It's totally up to you. So let's choose the landscape for this one. And once you're here in the canvas, let's start designing. So what I'm thinking, on the right side, I'll add a person image with a circle on it. On the left side, we can add the logo or maybe the text that we want to add. So let's start designing. So first thing first, let's choose the layout for our banner. For that, we will use the elements, and here we'll use the image right here. So let's use the circle and place it right here. We need an image for this. Let's go to photos and here search for the speech. You can add your own customized image as you're designing for your own. I'm using the templates for the images, so if you have an image with you, you can choose that. That will be great. So I'm going to place it right here, and this looks good. So let's go to the elements again, and here select the shape. I'm going to place the shape right here, and then I'm going to right click on it and then go to the layers and send it to back. Make sure it is in center. Yes, it is. I'm going to reduce its size a little bit. Yes, this looks perfect. Now let's select all of this and then click on lock so this won't move from right here. Now let's work on the background for our image. So let's use the image that I have. Going to place it right here. Now I'm going to select this and make it a bigger to complete my whole canvas. Yeah, this looks good. Now I'm going to right click on it and then go to the layers and send it to backward. And then again going to layers and send it to back. And I'm going to right click on it and click on lock. So over this image and our background is ready. So now let's add the text. For that we are going to using the text right here. And then we're going to add the text and then right here conference. I'll choose the whole text and then go to the fonts, and I'll try to find the Memorial Lane or maybe Business New. Okay, so let's use this one. Let's make it a little bit bigger. And then we're going to place it right here. Yeah, this looks good. Now let's add one more text. For that, we'll be using a heading again. Let's make it in one single line. Select all of the text and then use the other one. I'm going to reduce its size a little bit so this covers with this one. And now let's move it right here. I'll place the conference and then the business event right here. I'm going to select both of these, right click on it, and then we're going to make it in the center as it is already in the center, so it's not showing right here. So once our text is ready, let's add the alt text right here. We'll be using body text. Let's add the text. Let's reduce its size a little bit. Yeah, this looks good. Let's place it right here. If you have any logo, you can add it right here. For now, we will search for a template for a logo and use it right here. For example, this one. And let's delete it and add it right here. You can change its color so this will match the background. So your logo is added, your text is added, your logo is added, your heading is added, and your text is added as well. So now let's add the place. So now let's add the place or the so now let's add the handles as well as the time for your webinar event. For the time, let's add it right here. And for the hashtags and for the social media handles, we will add it right here, or the location for the conference right here. So let's start adding. I'll use the text. For example, 10 June. I'll place it right here. And then I'll create another subheading from 9 to 5 p.m. Let's add the 9 a.m. right here. So let's increase the size, so this will cover up in one single line. Let's increase its size a little bit. Let's select both of these, align them to the center. I'm going to group them, place it right here. So over time is added. Let's add call to action right here in the bottom. For that, we'll select the elements, call icon. Let's select this, add it right here, and then let's search for the location icon. For now, I'm going to lock all of these dates. First, I'm going to group them, and then I'm going to lock it. Make sure both of these icons are of the same size. So what I usually do, put it right here, and then increase the size so this will match with the other one. So I'm going to place it right here, go to my text, add a subheading, write whatever number it is. For example, let's place it right here, and now I'm going to create a body text. For that, I'll add call for info. I'm going to place it right here. Let's choose the select both of these, right click on them. I'm going to align them to the left side. I'm going to place it a little bit higher. I'm going to select both of these and group them, and then I'm going to place it right here. Now this looks good. Okay, so now let's move on to the address one. I'm going to do the same with this. I'm going to take a copy of this and place it right here. So let's add your location, whatever it is, right here. I'm going to ungroup them. Now they are perfectly aligned to the left side. Now I'm going to group them. Now I'm going to select both of these, right click on it, and then I'm going to align them as they are aligned in the middle as well, so we don't need to do that. So once you are done with this, let's make some changes to this one. Let's unlock this. I'm going to place this one right here. I'll just make some of the changes to the positioning of this. This looks good. So let's just add some of the details for this one as well. Let's add color to this one as well. I'm going to unlock this layer, select this, go to the colors, and then select this one. And there you have it. You can add some of the more elements to this to make it more interesting or make more beautiful, but this one is it for this tutorial. You can save it, go to the files, click on download, and here select whatever the format you want. For example, PNG, just select it and then click on download. This will take some time to download, and it is done. I'm going to open it up. You see, your webinar banner is now ready. Let's close this one out for a second. If you want to print this one, just click on file, click on download, and then in the file type, just select the PDF and then click on download. This will download your PDF, and now you can use that PDF for email or the printing purpose. And there you have it. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.